Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this short video I will show you how to create a comparison AI model to compare two documents between each other. So first thing that you need to do is go to AI models and press the add button. Let's name the model something like comparison testing, and we need to choose data comparison type, and then in this case we will compare documents between each other. Then the system allows you to select how you want to highlight the differences. I prefer semi-transparent market type, and then let's choose a different color, and you can adjust a little bit the opacity so it's more visible, and leave the rest of the parameters the same. So let's press apply. So now we have a new model. For that model we need to create a workflow. Comparison testing workflow. Then we need to select a document. Please note that there is a limitation in PDF documents. We can only compare 10 pages today. If you need more, just contact us and we'll discuss that. Then we need to add an AI validation. In this case, we need a comparison model example. Comparison testing. That's the right one. Let's save it. Apply. Now we have a workflow. Now, in Monday, there is a special recipe that we have created to run comparisons because it requires a little bit more information than a standard recipe. So let's add this. Let's find Bitskout. Okay. So this recipe is rather big, but it allows you to choose lots of things. Okay, first of all, let's change the status. If status becomes compare, then compare template with factory using a workflow. Okay, so here you need to select comparison testing and put the results into result. Then we also need to say what happens if there is an error, or when it's done, we also want to set a certain status so we can trigger a next workflow. Let's say, for example, extract dates from those files if everything is fine. If there is an error, we should know about that as well. Let's add it to board. Now we have our recipe ready. So now let's run a comparison on those two shipping documents examples. Okay, and the results should appear here. I already can see that the system is already running the execution, and then once it will finish, the results will appear. Okay, so I can see the result. Let's just have a look. Okay. So yeah, so it used the yellow marker type, so you can see there are lots of differences because this is basically an empty document and this is a filled-in document. Okay, so this is how it works. You can now use it in any other workflows you'd like. Thanks a lot for your time.